Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to unbox the phone which is a Poco X3 Pro device. Yes friends, finally I got the Poco X3 Pro. I'll try to explain you how I got this Poco X3 Pro, and usually I don't have any kind of plans to buy the Poco X3 Pro, but because of one subscriber I was able to get hands-on with this Poco X3 Pro device. I'll try to explain you in this entire video. And meanwhile, so in case if you're interested in the Poco X3 Pro and if you're planning to buy it, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below what videos you want me to update on this Poco X3 Pro. That is what I'm going to exactly do for the next couple of days, and this phone will be there with me for the next couple of days only, not for a long time, only for next couple of days only. And the reason how I got this phone is because of one subscriber. As I said, his name is Deepak. He is from Hyderabad, and he did email me that he was looking into buy the Poco X3 Pro, but he was not sure whether the phone is really good or not. And he did really trust my reviews. That is the reason he was able to put my address in his order list, and I was able to get this phone today. And for the next couple of days, I'll be testing this phone in depth. And other reason can be he is my past viewer from the time I reviewed the Poco X3 device in my channel, and he did believe me my reviews as well. That is the reason he was able to do this kind of risk by sending the Poco X3 Pro to my address and still trusting my reviews. So for the next few days I'll be keeping this Poco X3 Pro myself, and I'll try to test in depth as I tested the iQ7 device. Same way I'll try to treat even this Poco X3 Pro. Even I'll try to compare with the Realme X1 Max as well and Mi 11X as well. So a lot of other users, they do really have plenty of questions about the Poco X3. So is it budget gaming phone or not? What games are supported 90 FPS? What are the things they should know? So as I said friends, I'll try to do in-depth testings, and once again thanks to his subscriber who did do this kind of risk. I do know it's very hard to trust, but definitely thanks for trusting me, Deepak from Hyderabad. So I do live close by to the Hyderabad place. In this way I was able to get this phone, and in case after the review even I can go to Hyderabad and I can return the phone to him. So that's not at all a problem for me. And this unboxing is just a video I thought of uploading so you guys know that I got the Poco X3 Pro, and you can definitely comment under my videos. So what topics you want me to cover on this Poco X3 Pro device. Finally friends, the Poco X3 Pro and Poco X3. So I never thought that I will be able to get the Poco X3 Pro, because a lot of users, they did ask me plenty of questions about the Poco X3 Pro, and this is the one phone which I totally regret of not buying it in the first place. And we do get this kind of charger and the cable in the box, and everything is pretty normal. So there's SIM card ejector pin, and there's a case as well, transparent case. So just a basic unboxing I'm trying to give you, not a very in-depth. So this is a basic and basic case which you are getting right now. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends what are your thoughts about this Poco X3 Pro, and what videos you want me to make on this Poco X3 Pro first. So that is what I'm looking after in the comment section. So this video is not about the unboxing, but this video is about making my subscribers aware that I got my Poco X3 Pro, and I'll be able to make the videos on this Poco X3 Pro for the next few days. So let me know in the comment section below, and thank you for all your support and donations which I'm trying to get. And definitely I'll be planning to buy more phones in the future, and I'll be keeping up with the new content. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends what are your thoughts about this Poco X3 Pro device. So from now my main focus will be comparing with the Poco X3 Pro versus all these big phones which we got in the race. Yes, I'm going to compare. So this iQOO Z3 is not a big phone, maybe it's kind of mini brother to this Poco X3 Pro I would say. So this is what my main focus will be there for the next few days. So which I'll be trying to focus on the speed test, and I'll try to focus on the gaming test and performance and the battery test as well, and display quality, camera quality, and 4G plus connectivity. So all these details will be my really focus for the next few days. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to ask what's your doubts on this Poco X3 Pro. So I'm going to check each and every comment, so make sure to let me know. I may not be able to reply to your comment, but definitely I'll try to read the comments. Yes, so because of my busy schedule, so it's not that possible for me to reply to everyone. But we did not get any kind of MIUI 12.5 out of the box. It's only 12, as you can see out of the box we got right now. So this is what I'm going to show you. That's what I thought of showing you. So which I did not receive the MIUI 12.5 out of the box, but maybe now I might be able to receive once I connect to the Wi-Fi network. So I might be able to get the MIUI 12.5 as well. And a lot of users, they did ask me about the BGMI gameplay and the PUBG gameplay as well. I try to do those kind of testings in this phone as soon as possible once everything boots and started. So today is going to be really an epic video is going to happen on this Poco X3 Pro and in my channel as well. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates. And thank you for watching this video friends. I don't want to waste much of your time. So I need to be back in testing this Snapdragon 860 processor in this phone. Let's see whether is this phone still worth in the 2021 right now for this budget or not. That's what I'm going to check on this Poco X3 X3 Pro. That's my research will be there now on this Poco X3 Pro friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.